Greetings, incredible LTDE 5306 students. Welcome to Module Week 4 of Technology Planning and Administration. This week, we will be focusing upon developing as an instructional leader through cultivating a professional learning network. Let's go ahead and look at the learning resources for this week. As you will see in the introduction, this module will give you as the student the opportunity to grow as an instructional leader through developing professional learning networks. As you prepare to cultivate a vision for the design and implementation of instructional solutions within a professional setting, you will curate a collection of online resources that will help formulate this vision. A number of websites and instructional media resources are included to help you begin cultivating this professional learning network. As we look at the assignments this week, you will first engage in Discussion Board Forum 3, in which you will have the opportunity to share the video presentation you created last week featuring the TPAC and SAMR models. This discussion forum will provide you with the opportunity to offer your colleagues a look at the finished product that you have created. For replies, you'll want to review and provide feedback to 2 of your colleagues' videos. Specifically, please share how you might incorporate the concepts offered within classmates' presentations within your own instructional design endeavors. This is your opportunity to focus upon real-life applications, thus making learning even more impactful. Each reply should be substantial, adding meaningful insights to the discussion at hand. You'll want to submit your video presentation by Monday of this week and to reply to at least 2 classmates by Thursday of this week, allowing you to spend time engaging in a reciprocal learning experience as you provide feedback to colleagues. Now, let's take a look at Discussion Board Forum 4. In this discussion board forum, you will have the opportunity to grow as an instructional leader through developing this professional learning network we are focusing upon this week. As we know, spoken words sometimes convey a richer message than solely text-based communication. And you as an instructional designer must be able to effectively convey information in both written and spoken formats. This week, you'll have the opportunity to engage in a reciprocal learning experience by actually hearing from classmates through participation in this discussion forum. You'll want to utilize a tool called Vocaroo, which is linked here, to create an audio recording that conveys your response to the following questions. First, in your opinion and based on your reading and video assignments thus far, please share the names of and information for accessing your favorite 5 professional learning resources, which you will also be adding to your online professional learning network assignment this week. For each resource, why do you believe that this particular resource is especially helpful to instructional leaders? In case you're unfamiliar with using the tool Vocaroo, a brief tutorial is linked here. As an instructional designer, you must also be aware of ADA compliance laws, and to make sure that you are in compliance with your audio presentation, please also include a Word document transcript that you have created based upon this audio presentation overviewing the 5 chosen professional networking resources you have identified. For the initial thread, you'll simply post a link to your audio recording and the Word document of your transcript. Additional text is not required for this initial thread. As you are applying to 2 colleagues, you will also share audio recordings created using Vocaroo, as well as Word document transcripts. In each reply, please share how you will utilize at least one of the resources your colleague mentioned within your own instructional leadership endeavors. Please respond to at least one classmate to whom you have not yet replied in a previous discussion forum. For your replies to classmates, you want to, again, post a link to your audio recording and a Word document transcript. For this discussion board forum, your initial thread is due on Thursday of Module Week 4, and your 2 replies are due on Sunday of the same week. Finally, let's look at the Online Professional Learning Network assignment that will be due this week as well. The purpose of this assignment is to help you grow as an instructional leader through developing a professional learning network. Keeping up to date with instructional resources is an incredibly important component of growing as an effective instructional leader. For this assignment, you will want to identify at least 20 new to you social media accounts or other online resources you want to follow in your role as an instructional leader. As you come across new social media accounts or other online resources, please follow them or bookmark them as applicable for your own professional reference. And then copy and paste the hyperlink or username for social media accounts into a Word document that you will submit in the assignment submission area. Now, among these 20 resources or accounts, please include a variety of the following options listed here. You can include podcasts, social media accounts such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and blogs by other instructional leaders. Please remember that along with the hyperlink or username for each resource, you should also include at least one sentence describing why you find this resource or account helpful as an instructional leader. You'll want to refer to the example that is included here as you are completing this assignment. And here is an example for you to refer to as you're completing the assignment. So you'll definitely want to take a look at that as well as the rubric so that you can begin with the end in mind as you are creating this assignment. This assignment will be tremendously helpful to you as you are seeking to grow in your instructional design, development, and leadership. You will also be able to share the resources that you've come across with colleagues so that they can benefit from your research as well, so that they can also begin to explore even more professional resources that will help them in their growth as instructional designers and leaders as well. I look forward to seeing the resources you will come up with this week as you endeavor to curate a collection of effective professional learning resources of your own. God bless you. Have a wonderful week ahead.